How to view transaction history on Heartland Bank app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to view transaction history on Heartland Bank application. So first thing first, just head over to your Heartland mobile bank application, or you can also choose on to head over to the Heartland digital banking via web browser just like me. And once you're inside here, just make sure you successfully log into your account. And once you successfully log into your account, on the app's home screen you just need to locate the account you wish to view transaction for and click or tap on that. So for now I haven't signed in yet, so you just have to sign in and you should see all of the account if you have more than one, and just look at the account you want to view the transaction for. And similarly, a listing of recent transaction will be displayed for that particular account. And if needed, you can also use the filter option to narrow down the transaction history based on the specific criteria, which is the optional option over here. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.